Welcome to Technoland Expert. Watch till the end and join us at our community where you will get the real platform to start your own business. If a user frequently views juice or vegetable products, the system could automatically highlight related promotions or complimentary items, like salad dressings or snacks, during their next visit. This personalization fosters a sense of relevance and care, which significantly enhances conversion likelihood. Beyond its functional elements, the site also reinforces emotional marketing through color psychology. Warm tones like yellow and orange used in banners evoke energy, freshness, and positivity, ideal associations for food-related purchases. The green accents symbolize health and sustainability, aligning with current consumer trends toward organic and eco-friendly shopping. Together, these visual cues help shape the customer's perception of the brand as reliable, wholesome, and modern. Furthermore, the inclusion of categories like cameras and laptops suggests that the underlying platform might support a multi-vendor model or a general store setup, which broadens the business's scalability and target audience. Such flexibility allows the website to function not only as a food marketplace but as a comprehensive e-commerce ecosystem. This kind of hybrid catalog can attract diverse consumer demographics, students looking for electronics, families shopping for groceries, or working professionals seeking convenience, which ultimately increases total traffic and potential conversions. The strategic layout of pricing and rating stars also contributes to social proof, reinforcing product credibility and reliability. In the context of digital marketing effectiveness, this website stands out by merging content marketing, performance marketing, and UX-driven marketing. Its design inherently supports SEO optimization, keyword-rich product names, descriptive alt text for images, and structured data markup can improve search engine visibility, ensuring that users find these products easily through organic search. On social media, visuals from this website can be repurposed as advertisements or promotional posts to drive traffic back to specific category pages. The cohesive color schemes and clear product imagery are ideal for social media conversion campaigns, particularly on platforms like Instagram and Facebook, where visual engagement dominates user behavior. The consistent repetition of the Shop Now call to action and banners reinforces immediacy and directs user attention toward the next conversion step, which is crucial in reducing decision fatigue. The website also positions itself as a digital substitute for the physical shopping experience. By combining appealing product visuals with intuitive categorization, it creates a virtual aisle experience where users can browse seamlessly. Thanks for watching. Contact with us to join us at our community.